we see the weather yet? I missed it.
Please do miss the guy.
I know. I want to feed dude table food again, but I don't want him to gain weight because it's already hard for him to get up with his hips. You porker.
Was it good? You love me?
She's looking at the floor, looking at you, looking at the floor.
Stop licking your lips.
Oh, it's not there, Molly. It's not there.
You do some. And you eat with the fork, dude.
You eat the fork.
You'll eat the fork.
You're so excited. She didn't even watch. She's still focused on you. Look at her. Look at her. It's not on the ground. It's not on the floor, Molly.
There you go.
Poor Molly. Poor Molly. I'm surprised she's not seeing where it's going. Oh, there it is. Look at that distressed look in her eyes. Molly, it's okay. Oh, stop. Yeah. Oh, gross. She's drooling on the other side, too. You have to give her another bite. Look at them eyes. They're pleading with you.
You love me.
Oh, I'm going to hurt you. You don't give her that.
And he did. He's like, oh, what about mine? I forgot about me.
We're going to get the dog's cholesterol, eat meds.
We got cholesterol.
Yeah.
They're happy.
Come here, Molly. They're never satisfied. It's got to be endless bowl.
Yeah.
There's no more, Molly. Molly, come here. Come here. I'm sorry, I don't have any food. Oh, she's happy. She's wagging her tail.